The world around us is changing. AI and machine learning are becoming more interwoven in our daily lives. At the heart of all this are semiconductors. yieldWerx is here to play a pivotal role in making this world a safer place by eliminating the probability of error in things from self-driving cars, aerospace and defense, to medical-grade products and life sciences. So over the years, I've learned that truly understanding our customers means meeting them where they are in their journey. Every manufacturing environment is unique. Every engineering team faces different challenges. Customers and their needs are at the core of what yieldWerx stands for. That's why our solutions are architected to be configurable and made up of scalable modules, making it easy to set up and delivering a cost-efficient solution without cutting corners. Our solutions can be set up in a matter of weeks, if not days, and we're proud to be one of the few players in the data analytics space that can say that. When we say we put our customers first, it means that we listen. We want to allow engineers the flexibility to use a tool for their purpose and not be restricted by their processes. We focus on usability. Adopting a tool should not be a hurdle. That's why we are able to quickly show customers proof of concepts and effective methodologies while being upfront about costs. So I'm proud to say that 9 out of 10 times we implement changes and upgrades for our users at no cost to them, because creating functionality for one customer's problems means that all the users can benefit. We actually listen to our users and develop new features by being on the field so that we can build functionality that can actually provide value. When yieldWerx was founded, it was about creating a platform that would eliminate the need for a middleman and provide solutions that directly reflect the needs of the user. The semiconductor manufacturing tools landscape consisted mainly of large competitors who provided comprehensive solutions that were too expensive for smaller manufacturers, or specialized tools developed by smaller companies that only address specific aspects of the manufacturing process. That's where yieldWerx fits in. Having worked with the world's leading semiconductor companies like Texas Instruments, STMicroelectronics, Qualcomm, Intel, GlobalFoundries, and others for over 3 decades, I've had the opportunity to architect streamlined solutions for a multitude of applications with user bases in the tens of thousands. I wanted to build a platform that was configurable and scalable, something accessible and relevant to all semiconductor companies, regardless of size, providing cost-efficient solutions that grow as our customers grow. I strongly believe that methods and practices can be optimized, and that proper automation can alleviate much of the tedious and error-prone manual activity engineers deal with daily, allowing them to focus their time and energy on innovation and engineering. My drive and passion have always been efficiency and simplification. Having worked with hundreds of tools and architected solutions that unified many siloed applications, I have found that the proper handling of data is always at the core. That's why I'm confident there's no data that yieldWerx cannot handle. yieldWerx is different from other semiconductor analytic tools. We are architected for flexibility and scalability by separating our core features into individual modules that interoperate and seamlessly integrate. By nature of this architecture, we are able to provide cost-effective solutions for customers of all sizes and support products from NPI to advanced production. Our solutions can be up and running in a matter of weeks, if not days, while competitor solutions can take months to years. We value agility and release new functionality every month instead of having our users wait 6 months to a year for requests. Since our customers have different structures and data security needs, we also provide on-premise, cloud, and hybrid implementation solutions. The yieldWerx platform is built on decades of knowledge and expertise, learning from successes and failures, and we want to take that knowledge to help our customers solve their problems. Helping customers grow over the last 15 years have been extremely rewarding. There was an analog fabless company that we partnered with 15 years ago. At the time, they were small. They didn't have a huge portfolio of products. But now, fast forward, 15 years later, they are one of the most successful analog companies in the world with a portfolio of over 20,000 products. In another case, there was a large analog company that used over 10 different tools to process their fab, test, assembly, and defect data. yieldWerx was able to go in and replace all of that with a single solution, improving their efficiency and cutting their software costs significantly. But not all success stories are quantifiable. We are committed to working with small niche companies who create products that will change the way we live our daily lives. One such company produces handheld mammogram sensors. We are partnering with this company to help make medical and life care more accessible to everyone. We're looking at a pretty comparative future for semiconductors. Chips are getting smaller to the nanometer scale, while designs and packaging are getting more complex. Many of these devices are mission critical, whether they be autonomous cars or medical devices. We are collecting more and more data, but is it the right data? Separating the critical data, the ones that actually help identify latent defects and predict operability under extreme conditions, as well as the amount of data collected will impact not just the company's ability to compete, but will impact human lives. What needs to happen is to directly correlate this field data back to manufacturing to help improve the next evolution and identify unforeseen problems. Our vision at yieldWerx is to be the #1 semiconductor data analytics platform in the world, providing the tools and services that help semiconductor companies of all sizes design and manufacture the most reliable chips in the most cost-effective way.